Yo, what's up guys? It's the Wolf, the new video, and on this video we're gonna be looking at US30, US Wall Street, the Dow Jones. Alright, so that's what's popping, guys. Let's get into the video, man. Alright, so we do what we always do, guys. Like always, we do what we always do, man. Go to the highest time frame to see what's popping, man. Alright, so and I like it with US30, like the US30, like it's quite straightforward. It's straightforward, and like we're not seeing a lot of contradictions. Like it's quite clear that, boy, we are just moving up. Alright, there are no contradiction like with NAS 100. With NAS 100, things don't look as pretty as we want them to. On your state, they're quite clear, gonna be moving upwards in an overall structure. Alright, so we're still safe, man. Like we're still safe. We are still safe because things are clear, man. Not as like NAS 100. Alright, so just check out what's popping. Things are clear. Alright, we stay under this downtrend also, but not much of an issue because with the Dow, everything is quite clear that we're gonna break this structure. Alright, everything is quite clear because if you go to the 4-hour time frame and see what's popping, we have this trend here and it's quite clear. Even if the reason it is a trend is because overall, let's go to daily, back to daily. Even from 4 hours, it's still visible. Like we have this downtrend, this downward structure, this downtrend, and then here we happen to have a Dow bottom structure, like a Dow bottom. So, and remember, like simple rules, like a Dow bottom, it's an upwards movement pattern. When it occurs, it has to go up. So when you see a Dow bottom on a downtrend, it means a reversal is likely to happen. Actually, a reversal is about to happen. Alright, and then when you see it on an uptrend, it means the market is gonna just continue with a trend. Alright, so here we've been having a downtrend, and then we happen to have this Dow bottom, and then it did go up. So a Dow bottom on a downtrend, so we're gonna reverse the trend, not just this movement, but a trend overall. So, and we are doing just that. Hence we're saying this one is quite clear because we're gonna break this structure. We're gonna break this level here. This level here around 33,132.9. We're gonna break it and just go up. Alright, because with a no-brainer strategy, we know what's popping. Like we know how this thing moves. We go with faces. There are faces to this thing, and now you're just looking for, let me see, what phase did we break now? Okay, first phase, we are done with it. So we left this second phase and a final phase with this structure, and then we're gonna do the whatever, and then reverse the whole trend. So now we're not reversing the whole trend, reversing this structure because it's a no-brainer structure. So meaning this structure began here and then gave us the second phase and the final phase, which leads us to the Dow bottom, and then Dow bottom is finished with the third phase, and then now it's gonna finish the second phase and then the final phase. Alright, so you can put an horizontal ray here. So meaning next mission is to touch this level here, 34,104. Alright, once we touch that, we know that okay, the second phase is done. Then we are left with the final phase, which is to touch this level, 35,247. Alright, obviously the price is not precisely, but we're gonna touch that level. Alright, so with US30, it's quite clear, guys. Like it is perfect, and it's not gonna decline as much as we might think. Why? Remember what I just said now, like just now. about the Dow bottom. When you see it on an uptrend, it means a continuation. When you see it on a downtrend, it means a reversal. And then look here. Can you see it? This, it's not that perfect, but it looks like it. Looks like a Dow bottom to me. And then why do we see it? On an uptrend. Even though it's not an uptrend, it's an upwards movement. Alright, but it is an uptrend because this is our second touch. So meaning we are likely to go up. So what you're gonna wait for? Wait for the market to do its thing. Don't just be aggressive about it. You just wait for the market to do its thing. Meaning the market has to come here and then come back and retest. Because remember the simple rules. You don't trade the second touch of a trend line. The second touch is for drawings. The third touch is when you execute. Because if you just, when the market opens, you just go aggressively about it, you might get hurt. Like, what if the market goes below with a price rejection, like high volatility, and then it returns back to its senses? What if it does that? You're gonna be hurt. So you wait for the market to do its thing, and as it comes back to test this trend line again, it is then you just buy like nobody's business, and then you wait for it until it reaches this level here, around 34,100. All right, simple as that. You don't have to think too much about it, man. Like, that's what the market's gonna give, because it is perfect. Dow bottom on an up structure, so meaning it's likely a continuation. You can come here and you know what's up, man. You know what's up. Alright, just know what's up. The market's gonna go up. Whatever it does, it's gonna go up. Might give us those respect those levels by coming and testing them, but overall we know that the market is going up. Okay, yeah, so yeah, US30 is quite clear, man. It's quite clear. I mean, I don't even have to remind you about the no-brainer strategy, guys. Come on. I don't have to, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Alright. But if you know, you know, man. If you know, you know. Alright. So if you know, you know. Like, it's a no-brainer strategy. Obviously, it started here. It has to end where it started. Alright. I hope it makes sense, man. Like, it started there, so it has to end where it started. Alright. Just look. Tell me, like, you don't see where about the structure in the middle. You don't see some similarities. Like, down bottom, break it in half. And then here it went down, this side went up. So you're likely to have that go down movement and then break structure. Like this side. But remember, with a no-brainer strategy, not always will the sides be 100% identical. If the other side move with a solid trend, the other side is just gonna move with a solid structure. Like, it's just gonna move smoothly. Not like, look at this one. This one is a bit this guy, a lot of drama in here. This one might not even come back to test here. It might just shoot up smoothly like this trend here. Because look at this one. This one went straight up movement. You don't have a trend here. It's just a straight up solid movement. And then what happened this side? This side, it went with a smooth trend. Alright. So meaning this side is not going to be 100% identical to this one. But by respecting levels, it is likely to be 100. Alright. So you have to look out for those levels, because this is a powerful level, and then we are at it. This is our next powerful level, and this is our final powerful level. And then after that, the market is gonna form a new structure, which we're gonna wait until the market completes, and then we're gonna just replicate what he has done. So like I always say, we don't form structures, all right? We don't start a movement, we finish a movement, because we are responders. We're not that aggressive. Like, we wait for the market to give us direction and then we follow it. It's that simple, all right? Because so you don't have to be right, man. Just follow what the market gives us. And guys, I'm not gonna go too much deep into it, all right? If you enjoyed the video, man, you know what we have to do. Smash the like button, leave a comment, and that's what's up, man. This is just what's up. Not gonna waste any of your time. Peace, guys.